Shut up.
Going 100 miles per hour through residential streets, flying through local yards, and forcing innocent families off the road. This is how the pursuit of Evon Williams ended. A total wreck. But to see how Arkansas State Police finally caught this Volvo, we must go back to the very beginning of this high-speed chase in Forrest City. He was wanted for breaking and entering, but he decided to turn a routine stop into a 100-mile-per-hour nightmare. This is the moment Evon Williams was finally taken into custody after a violent crash into a ditch. Wait until you see what the troopers found inside the car.
Primary. We got no traffic.
County's primary right now.
He's going to be coming out on the good shit. Wrong left. Out of the vision. Okay, we are headed north.
What's it coming?
I'm gonna be on East Broadway.
He's going to hit Broadway. Somebody else take the ball.
He's getting behind me right now.
You're going to flip the field.
He's telling me he ain't gonna be going off in the field.
Went down on over.
Get forward, Tony. Come up here. I see him back there.
What's going on? What's going on?
We're gonna go west on Oak.
Maddie Price. Face.
You making a ride on North?
You don't want any unit. Dead straight in front of you.
They're making a right on North Water
Let
Street.
me get around. Let me get around.
Right on North Water.
Hey, let the state unit get in front of you.
County primary.
Well, go by you. On your left. Trooper's coming up behind you, Wesley.
What on the secondary?
North on division. North on division.
We're going north on the building.
North on the vision. Almost just hit somebody head on here on Dawson. Continue.
I'm just trying to know Victoria.
We made it right on this field.
Right on Victoria. Stealing primary.
Made a left on Taylor. Speed bump. Making a left on Beach Grove.
Stealing lots of vehicles.
It's gonna be a red SUV. Looks like a Volvo. We're gonna be on Cardinal Drive. On Beach Way over.
Vision made a left on, I don't know what road, it's coming towards Division.
Get behind the apartment complex.
You know, guys. He's staying down here. He's staying
Make a left on
Watch your right.
It's gonna be a red Volvo 872. Young Mary Edward. 872 Young Mary Edward. I'm gonna go right, south on Division.
South on Division. Please, ready.
In the grass. We'll go south on
Okay. Going all the way to Mallory.
We're gonna be on Mallory Avenue, going towards West Broadway.
Yes, West Broadway.
Watch your brakes. Get on. Stop.
Another light. Crash out, 1041, 1041. Felony takedown. Hands! 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 Give me your fucking hands! Hands! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here now! Get on the fucking ground! 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 Motherfucker! Get his hands! Get his hands! What y'all doing, man? Shut up! Shut up! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Get your hands! Get your hand out! Y'all was on my hand, man. Shut up! Y'all got it now? Wait, need one more. No, we can do it. Because you did all that. You're stupid. Man, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. What y'all doing me, man? Look how y'all doing me, man. Shut up. Yeah, boy, you fucked up today. You fucked up and found out, didn't you? Look how y'all doing me, man. Man, I was gonna do that. Get my shit out. That boy, they done stole my shit, man. Fucked up and found out, didn't you? Search him. Search. Why y'all doing me like that, man? I don't got got nothing on him, man. Almost got away. Come on, boy. You want us to call the record? You got it, boss. I got it. You got it. Good job. Good shit. Appreciate y'all. You all right? Yeah, I'm fine. He kept going in circles. Yeah. He knew he couldn't get away from us, man. Good shit. I'm glad you were close by, dude.
Can we clear the net?
10-4, you can clear it.
No, that's your bird.
10-4.
Yeah,